So here we are. We've got 4 volunteers to show everybody how to play Mathino. This is Aspen, Savannah, Josh, and Taya. All right, Aspen is going to deal out the cards right now really fast. Okay, so here we go. We've got a hand that's been dealt by Aspen, and we're going to go around and ask the players for their strategy as they have looked at the cards dealt to them. Now normally you don't play with your cards face up, but when you're first starting out in the game, that's a good idea just so everybody gets the hang of the game. And so we're going to start with Taya here and look at her cards and what she intends to do in the middle. In the middle we've got a 10, a 9, an 8, and a 4. So Taya, what is your strategy for playing your 4 cards?
I am going to take a 9 and square root it, and I'll place it sideways.
What will that do?
That will make it a 3, so then I'm going to build on 3. And so my next turn, I'll put a 3 here. And then after that, my next turn after that, I'll put a 1 here to times it by 1, and then I build it on 3 still, because 3 times 1 is 3. And then I capture it with my 3.
Perfect. Okay, thanks Taya. Let's go down to Josh next.
I'm going to take this 4 and subtract 12 from it to get -8. Then I'm going to cube root it to get -2.
Now if you cube root it, you're going to need to turn that sideways, aren't you?
Once it's cube rooted, that makes it a -2. Then I'm going to add 10 to make it 8. Then I'll combine those two 8s and capture it with my 8.
Okay, very good. Let's go ahead and put those 2 cards back. Okay, Savannah, what are you going to be doing this turn?
I am going to multiply this 10 by a 10 to get 100. Then I'm going to take the sum of the digits, which is 1 plus 0 plus 0. So the sum of the digits will be 1, and then my next term I'll capture it with a 1, and then I'll go from there.
Okay, you'll have a 4 and a 6 left, and just see what's on the field still. Okay, Aspen, and what do you have?
I have a 6, a 7, a 9, and a 9. And what I plan to do is, because I dealt the cards, I don't know what's going to be left on the field, and because I'm last. So, I will put my 6 and 7 out in 2 turns, and then I will combine the cards that aren't built on in the field and multiply them by this 9. Because anything times 9, the sum of the digits of that adds up to 9, and then I will capture it with my 9.
Perfect. Okay, now we're going to have the players play their hands out and see how this goes. Aspen dealt, so Savannah goes first.
Alright, 10 times 10 is 100. Sum of the digits is 1, building 1s.
4 minus 12 is -8, building -8.
The square root of 9 is 3, building 3s.
Okay, and Taya has played a power play, so she's turned the card sideways. Nobody else is allowed to build on that pile now, except her, so she can do anything she wants on that pile. Aspen, she plays her 6.
Alright, I'm going to capture this with my 1.
I'm going to cube root the -8, which is -2, building -2.
Okay, Josh has also played a power play, so nobody else can build on that stack. Taya?
I'm going to put a 3 on here because it's...
You can match a 3 to it.
Match a 3.
Aspen discards her 7.
I'm going to capture this 6.
Okay, Josh?
I'm going to add 10 to the -2, which makes 8, building 8s.
And then what can you do, Josh?
Then I can combine the 8 there.
That's right. You can combine equal values on the field. Okay, Taya?
Now, 3 times 1 is 3, building on 3s.
Building on 3s, okay.
Let's see. 9 times 7, sum of the digits, building 9s.
I'm going to set out my 4.
Capture the 8.
Capture the 3.
With your 3, okay. And Aspen captured 9, so there's a 4 left on the field. If there were no cards, the players would start the next round of 4 cards with no cards on the table, and somebody would have to discard a card to get things started.